I first started noticing hair loss probably in my early 20s, probably my senior year in college. And I figured it was going to come because of genetics and other family members, my father in particular. No one really mentioned it to me. I think I was more cognizant of how to hide it. And I took many steps to do that. And for the next 10 years, I probably spent probably too much time, too much money trying to conceal it. There was a topical solution, there were some powders. The powders would get all over the place, and it was tough. And then you always feared people would recognize that you were covering things up. You were trying to hide something, and it was frustrating. It was very frustrating. It was something that I was either going to shave my head because I wasn't getting the hair back, or some procedure. And that's when I started doing research. My diligence brought me here. Everything I wanted, they said they could do, from a cost perspective, from a timing perspective. And what made me comfortable was the team. They actually got me in touch with past patients that had gotten the procedure, spoke to them personally, before and after pictures, and my patient advisor was, I mean, we were in constant contact up until the procedure. I will say, everything they told me up until that day, everything they prepared me for was spot on. It was absolutely spot on. And I would do it 10 times more if I had to. Very comfortable with the doctor. Everybody here was wonderful, the whole staff. It was truly amazing how they said, "Hey, you're going to swell a little bit." I swelled a little bit. Everything they told me was exactly happened. Even a year later when they said, you'll probably see the best results. And then they were right. Month 3, month 4, month 5, they were just spot on. It was truly amazing. Yeah. I was obsessed with my hair loss, whether covering it up or how people looked at me. Was I wearing a hat on this certain day? Is it gonna rain? You were obsessed. It was constantly on your mind. And now it's not on my mind at all. I don't think about it. Your life completely changes. It really does. You want to be in better shape. You feel younger, you look younger. It's an investment in yourself. The benefits outweigh any of the fear that you would have prior to a procedure.